Hey, so welcome to another video, guys. And today I'm going to be doing this video about, well, the flooding. And it's not really flooding, but it rained a lot today. It's the 13th of December 2019, and it's, how it rained today. It's really rainy. Really. This is in South Carolina. Look at this. There usually is islands over there, and there's weeds all over. Now it's not nothing. And then over there, there's usually land all over. Yeah, this pond is usually there, but not this high. There's this river in the neighborhood. It's totally overflowed. My friend's backyard, destroyed. Fence is pretty much overflowed. It's like 5 foot tall, and then the water seeping through. It's huge. Look at our backyard. This is not usual. This water over here. Look at that. Look at this. Really amazing. And then it goes on. So it's totally wet over here. And then this is the most amazing part. This is totally dry over here usually. Look at this now. And look at this. This is the most amazing part. See this? This used to be an island in the middle of it. And it was not near this thick. And near this deep. It's a little small stream. And see a little pole right there? That bridge is usually never that high. See a little pole right there? Yeah. And look at this. Look at the... This right here. Look. Deep. Look deep that is. I'll take this big branch. This branch is usually not here. I'll get a branch. Usually it's only about the size of this branch right here. Look at it now. Yeah, usually right here is about the same size. It's less than that usually. Now look how big it is. There. Look. It's usually all dry. No, this is the most amazing part still. This is totally thick. And look at that. That's usually all floating water. It's still usually all running water. Now it's just... It used to be this really skinny stream. Now it's just huge. Yeah, like river thing. Jeez. It's nowhere this thick usually.